Let's put them all together. Let's put them all together. Y'all ready?
Mine's pink, Madeline's pink, Amy's red. Mine's green.
Six.
Y'all back up for y'all burn each other's eyeballs.
Do this. Shake yours, Madeline.
No, I'm not trying to let my stick fall off again.
Now when it goes.
Say Happy New Year's.
This is wrong.
Whoa.
I'm spelling it.
Ha! You picking your nose on camera? You need to relight it or is it dead?
They just came apart.
Wait, okay, relight it. I still got some spark up in that thing.
No, you don't. You lost it all. You slung it out.
Write your name.
No, not me. No, I didn't.
I'm telling you. That's
Dad.
just a stick. It's just a red stick, baby. Your other stick came off of it.
It's wrong.
Guys, be ready. I'm gonna do a fat big one.
Yeah?
Yeah, one of these.
What?
I'm gonna do one.
Hold on.
Let me see it. Come on, chicks.
Yay!
Hold it like this
Why?
because it's going to shoot out this end. You got to point it at the sky.
Houses and away from people. Madeline, come get your Roman candle and let Daddy light it. He'll show you how to hold it.
I'm gonna point it at the sky, Amy.
Okay, Dad, can I have a fuse?
Don't drop it, chicks.
Lighter, please.
Let me see the lighter, baby. Let me see the lighter, baby.
Dad. Do you want to light it?
I was gonna light on those rolls.
Oh, you can light it.
Okay, Emma, hold it at the bottom. Not all the way at the bottom, right there.
Face it over there.
Good job, chicks.
Come here,
Not
I need
right
to light it.
Just like hold it that, face it that way.
And then don't point it at nobody.
Point at the sky.
All right, go. Hold it up.
Is that all of them?
Yep.
Wait. Watch out.
Make sure you count 10 of them, Emma.
I counted 10.
These are whack.
Well, some of them's normal. The other ones are better.
Mine's a dud. Oh, scared me.
Dad.
Oh, baby. I don't have the lighter. Your mama does.
Mama.
What are y'all trying to do?
Do this one.
Another Roman candle?
Hey,
Judges, can I see the lighter?
Mama.
There you go.
Mama. I want to do another Roman.
Turn here and I'll light all 3 y'alls in a row. Madeline?
Wait, I can't find my stick.
Yeah, I would find your stick. Hold
I can't
it.
see. Dad, I can't see. I can't see.
Oh, I can see in the camera good.
I'm gonna stand in the middle of y'all when y'all do it, and then I'm gonna light all 3.
You want to light mine?
I don't have a lighter, baby.
What's in your hand?
Not a lighter.
It'll work.
I'm gonna do
No,
all.
man.
I'm gonna go in a row.
It's fire, Dad. It's heat.
Madeline,
Just start from here.
turn around. I'm gonna light 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
Point it at the sky, Madeline, and away from the house.
Avery, point it a little further that way.
Try to
There you
catch
go.
a star.
Where's your wick?
I don't know where my paper.
What?
He just did a wheelie.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't see it?
He does them all the time.
You know him?
No.
Daddy,
Yeah?
Daddy.
What?
Madeline's about to be leaving, so let's do one of these big ones with her real quick.
Okay.
Can I
Go
light
out there
it,
and fire it
please?
up. Let her light it up.
I gotta find the.
You got it.
Turn the flashlight on my phone.
I'm taking that one.
There it
There's
is.
more.
Okay,
This
it
is
goes.
more.
Let me take the sticker off.
That one's dead.
What is it? Go this way, dude? It goes this way. It goes whichever. No, not like that. It goes like this.
It's gonna pull through that?
Dad,
Is it gonna pull through that?
carefully. Morning. Soak with water.
Yeah, let me see.
Face this side towards spectators.
Right there.
Yeah, so it
It
shoots out
it
the
does.
We
She's
were
in
wondering
there.
if it shot out the paper.
Yeah, the bottom.
Yeah, she's out the paper.
Oh, Madeline, hold on. We gonna do it right here or in the street? Let's go in the street with it. I got a lighter, baby. Oh, I was gonna say I got the light.